Very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of English language. And today we will be studying about nouns, their number and gender. Right? Now think, replace the pictures in the passage with words. One day some, and look at the picture here. You see some children here. So one day some children were playing with a litter of. See the picture here, children. What is this picture about? This is the picture of puppies, right? Playing with a litter of puppies. The animals were adorable. They got biscuits to eat and milk to drink. You have to write whatever is in the picture and milk to drink. The children also got, see what are these? In the picture, there are some toys. Toys for the puppies to play with. Now learn. Singular and plural nouns refer to the number of person, animals or things. The man repaired the truck. This is singular, see. And then the men repaired the trucks. Truck become trucks and man becomes men, right? This is the plural form. You have learned the various ways in which singular nouns are changed to plural nouns and vice versa. For most singular nouns ending in x, ch, s, ss, sh, ch, o, and z, we add s or es to convert them into a plural. Generally, we add s and sometimes we add es. See, when we add s, table becomes tables, song becomes songs. And when we add es, fox becomes foxes, match becomes matches, gas becomes gases, mass becomes masses, dish becomes dishes, crutch to crutches, potato potatoes, blitz become blitzes, and then quiz becomes quizzes. For most singular noun ending in f or ef, change f or ef to ves. Like hoof goes becomes hoofs, knife becomes knives. For most singular nouns ending in y, change the y to ies. Cherry to cherries, lady to ladies. Some plurals are irregular. See tooth, teeth, ox, oxen, mouse, and mice. Some nouns stay in the same in both form. Sheep, deer, and series. Underline the correct form of nouns in these sentences. Thus, see the two spellings. Which one is correct? I think ESEES. Right? That is correct. So, what you will be doing? You will be underlining it. The princess were playing in the garden, hanging from the branches. BRANCHES. That is the correct one. Of an oak tree. They were curious about the kind witches. WITCHES. It was said that they helped all people. No people eyes. It would be people in need. They decided to hide among the shrubs. The spelling is SHRUBS and wait for them. Right, children? This is how you have to do it. So, we have learned a lot of things today, and I stop here. Right? You need to practice these things. You need to learn this conversion, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.